All right, so here's a couple of things that you will absolutely have to have, some requirements in order to get approved for a DSCR loan. Okay, number one, I highly recommend that your credit score is at least 750. Okay, like that puts you in a pretty good range. Okay, the next thing you gotta have is an LLC. Okay, this LLC has to be built the right way. Okay, it cannot be built all funky. You can't have your friend go do it. It needs to be built by a professional company the right way the first time. Okay, third thing is your lender will require you to get what's called a cert of good standing. What does that mean? That means whenever you have an LLC, you have some documents, some entity docs, and you have to get a certificate of good standing from the state saying, hey, this subject LLC is in good standing, and then we can obviously lend money to it. Now, if it's an LLC that's not in good standing for whatever reason, you can't get the deal, you can't get the loan. Next thing you're gonna have to have is proof of residence. Okay, that is really big. So proof of residence basically means the lender is trying to make sure that you're not trying to live in this property that you're trying to get a DSCR loan on. Because if it's a DSCR loan, you're relying on your tenant's income to pay the mortgage. So if you live in the property, you don't have a tenant. So you are the tenant, which would make the whole thing crumble. So they're gonna wanna see a proof of residence.